Hello from Speaking Academy. Today's story is Emma's birthday. Discover new English words at A1 level as you listen. Have fun with the story. Next, let's check the important English words in this story for A1 learners. These words will help you follow and understand the story better. Here are the key English words from the story. Birthday, cake, candle, gift, juice, snack, party, pick, blow, dream. Emma's birthday. Today is Emma's birthday. She wakes up with a smile. Her mother and father say happy birthday. Emma wears a dress and goes to the kitchen. On the table, there is a cake, candles, and fruit. Her brother brings juice, and her sister gives a gift. Emma opens the box and finds a toy, a book, and a pencil. Emma's friends come to the party. They play games, sing songs, and eat snacks. The dog runs around, and the cat watches from the window. In the afternoon, they go outside. The sun is warm, the grass is soft. Emma and her friends run, jump, and pick flowers. At night, Emma thanks her family. She blows out the candles, eats the cake, and feels happy. She goes to bed and dreams of another fun day. Excellent! You completed the story. The new words will help you in daily life. Practice them again regularly. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.